How to know if a game is real or demo in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and log into your account using your credentials. Once you are on the home screen or main lobby, browse through the list of available games. Select any game you are interested in playing. Now, before the game starts, pay close attention to the information displayed on the screen. If the game shows a coin balance being used or deducted, it means you are playing the real version with actual coins. On the other hand, if the game doesn't affect your coin balance and you are allowed to play freely without any deductions, it's likely a demo version designed for practice or familiarization. You can also check if the game clearly states demo or offers a practice mode option, which is another clear sign that you are not playing for real coins. Knowing the difference helps you avoid accidentally using coins when you just want to try out the game. Now you know how to know if a game is real or demo in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.